Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching from. We started a topic the other day, family members, ndị otu ezinụlọ. Okay, and we were able to see some of the members of the family and the name Igbos call them. For example, your father's father is your nna or nna ochie. Your father's mother is your nnenna or nne ochie. Your mother's father is your nnanne or nna ochie. Okay, and so many other things we learned that day. Alright, we'll go ahead with this topic. Let's look at what the Igbos call daughter in Igbo. Daughter is nwa nwaanyị. Son is nwa nwoke. First daughter, Ada. First son, Okpara. Child, nwata, baby, nwa. Children, ụmụ maọbụ ụmụaka maọbụkwanụ ụmụntakịrị. You can call them any of the three. Twins, ụmụ ejima maọbụ you just call them ejima. Aunt, nwanne nna. That is, if the aunt is your father's sister, you call her nwanne nna. If the aunt is your mother's sister, you call her nwanne nne. Uncle, if the uncle is related to your father, you call him nwanne nna. But if the uncle is related to your mother, you call him nwanne nne. Okay? Alright, let's continue. Niece. If the niece you are referring to is your brother's daughter, you call her nwa nwaanyị, nwanne nwoke. But if the niece is your sister's daughter, you call her nwa nwaanyị, nwanne nwaanyị. Nephew. If the nephew is your brother's son, you call him nwa nwoke, nwanne nwoke. But if the nephew is your sister's son, you call him nwa nwoke, nwanne nwaanyị. Relatives. If the relatives are from your mother's side, you call them ụmụnne nne m. But if the relatives are from your father's side, you call them ụmụnna. Alright, we'll stop here today. Do well to follow me on Instagram. You can see my Instagram name there. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell to get notification whenever a new video is posted. Always practice to be perfect. I will see you next time by God's grace. Thank you and God bless you. Ọ bụ nwanne unu, ibe ya Okwuchi. Ka emesịa.